But guys, in the last video we learned how to extend the neighbor and inject the content, but there is one small issue. As you can see here, we are not able to see the menus, right? So if you make the screen size a little smaller, then let's make this little smaller, then you'll see something like this, and now you're able to see. But on larger screen you are not able to see this. So we missed something in a neighbor class, so let's add this one, which is the neighbor dash expand dash lg. So now you should able to see this all the menus in a bigger screen as well. Yes, that's perfect now. So now let's make a seeker registration form, and we'll be using the bootstrap form. Okay, so if you go here form, and if you click here input group, you'll see the all the codes to make this form. Okay, so either you can copy from here or you can follow me. So the first thing is we have to make the route, right? So we have to make the route. So I'll remove this one. We don't need this one anymore. And so we'll have a route, and we'll have a controller will have a method, and that method will return a view. Okay, so let's first then make a controller. So I'll write a PHP annotation make, and then controller. This is the command, and then we'll give the name of controller, which is user controller. So now user controller has been created. So now let's make a route here, get route. So route get, and we'll write here register slash seeker, since this is the seeker registration form. And here we'll write a user controller, CONT, and it has suggested me, so I just click this one. And when you click this, the name is also imported here. Okay, so if your text editor does not do this, then you have to manually import this one. So user controller, and then we'll write the class, and let's give the method name as create seeker. So this will be our method name, seeker seeker. So this one now it should be fine. So now let's go to the user controller. So I'll go to the user controller, and here I'll create seeker public function, and I'll write a create seeker, and let's return a view. So return view, and I'll make a user folder in the views directory, and I'll make this as seeker dash register. Okay, seeker dot register. So we'll create a seeker dot register dot blade.php. And now let's go here in seeker in the views. So we have a views here. We have already one user folder here, so we have index also. So let's rename this one. So I'll want to rename this as a seeker. So let's check again what was the name here. So it's the seeker dash register. So let's make seeker dash register. So I'll rename this as a seeker dash register. So now we have seeker.register.blade.php. Now when we visit this route, we should see this page. So let's try this. So we have the route as register slash seeker. So let's go here and let's write register slash seeker, and now we should be able to see this one, right? So let's go here and let's make a design. So you can get the code of this design, or you can follow me. Okay, so let's make first a div class controller, div class row, div class row, div class row, and here we'll make a div, and let's make cool md6. Okay, div class cool md6, clss class cool md6, and here we'll just write h1. So we'll just write something like looking for a job, and we'll make there, right, please create an account, create an account, and here like we'll just import an image. So I have already one image in the public directory, so here I have already one image. You can keep any images. So in the public folder, so if you go here, we have a public folder here. So I have created one image folder, okay, and I have a register.png file here. So I'm going to use this one. So either you can use like this image slash, and then you can give the name of the file, which is the register regis the register.png. This is also fine, and or you can just like write two curly braces asset. So whenever you write asset, it will target to the public directory, okay. So it will target to the public directory, and in the public directory we have an image, and within the image folder we have register.png. So this is the better way to do. So now let's save this and let's have a look, and we'll see something like this, okay. So looking for a job, please create an account. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And I think let's make let's copy the school mg6, and here we'll make the account. So here we'll make the car. So let's make the car. So deep and class car deep class card header. Let's write something register, and deep class card body, and within the card body we'll make a form group, okay. So deep class form group, and first we'll have a label, close the label for, and let's write full name. So user can submit a full name, and here we'll write input type text, and let's give name as a name, and we'll give a class as forms control. Okay, so now I'll copy this and paste over here, and in this case it will be email. Now we'll write an email, and name will be email, and again here we'll have password, pss pass, word, and here we'll write password. Okay, and finally another form group. Within this form group we'll just make a submit button. So button, and we'll write class button primary, and then we'll write a type. There should be a submit, and write a register. Okay, let's look this and refresh it, and this is how it looks. So what we have to do is, it's not looking good, so let's wrap this within this one. So this is one, and this is the other one. So let's go here. So here is the mistake. So it's container, okay, CONTAINA container. And now if we give a refresh, this looks fine. Now let's keep some margin from the top. So we can do something like margin top 5, and here let's keep a break. Okay, now everything should look okay. So let's refresh. Now it looks good. So now I'll see you guys in the next video.